Lots of work right there, let me tell you. Lots of work. Brand new band board out there. This is just a preview of what some of the things that we have been doing. Of course, I can't put out 5 hours worth of video every day, so this is a preview of what's up and coming in our videos. What we did over there to fix that wall. Bolted. I mean, they literally bolted the deck right through their band of their house. Now we know why it's rotting off. Like over there, we're gonna replace all that over there. It's terrible. That's pretty bad. Really from below, yeah. Nicely done. Nicely done. I decided, since there wasn't any in the middle, really might as well get rid of that outside too. Put some new underbelly. And if your mobile home is made like this one, you can use this for underbelly. And Paul has 3/4 inch strips. He's putting one on the inside, one down the middle, one on the outside, proper. Right, Paul?
No, one outside. One outside.
Right there.
One inside.
Inside, okay.
Yeah, that's all I need.
Gee, that's awesome.
Yeah, because it's done 10 to 4 foot.
We're gonna watch this one. We're gonna watch this one happen. Marks him so he knows where his floor joists are. Pre-cut his pieces to whatever he needed them to be. Wire. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice. New underbelly. Let's see what we got going on out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. Mm-hmm. That can be trimmed off anyway. Yep. You know what I mean? Yep. Anything that hangs out. Yep. Yep. New underbelly, right from the bottom. Got to get rid of your skirting. Probably have to get rid of this trim channel that goes down through there. This piece here. Measure. What's that? Is that 220 wire? Yep. Measure your piece, stick it up in there. Put a piece in the front, put a piece in the back. Right up against the floor joist. Look at that. That is super sweet, Paul. Ain't that better than trying to leave that other crap in there?
My stud?
Yeah.
Can't see my scratch more. Yeah, okay.
Right there, yeah. You got it, brother. Nice, looking good, man. Looking good. It's to the left a little bit, according to your scratch. Or back of the house, whatever you want to call it. Might be a little too far. Maybe I need to get inside. I don't see what that is.
Yeah, right.
Replacing the underbelly. Should have to come to you a little bit on that back side.
You ain't got over there yet.
I'm not sitting down quite in the hole.
You gotta push it for me.
Hold on. Got you, buddy. There we go. I'm in. Come in good. Yes, sir. Oh, you got to go up a little bit for your 1x4, right?
Yep.
So it's I put it down too far.
No, you good? You good? I'm in.
You're in?
I'm in.
That is so nice. Look at that. And that's how you tie it together on the bottom. So if you have one that has the type like this is the way you're gonna re-underpin it.
Yeah. We ain't done yet.
No. We just take them 1x4s, ripping them in half, and we're starting on the bottom. We'll put a strip here, and a strip there, and then we'll come up top. We're gonna come up, huh?
You done yet?
Yeah. After you put your pieces on across the bottom for the next piece.
Put them together.
For the next piece now to join them together. And you can spin them, right? Like you said.
Yep. Stand up.
Now you just will spin it out of the way and then pull it back over to get it back out.
Yep.
And of course we'll screw that together too. All right, going up. I'm cutting another one, 79 inches.
I need 2 of them whiteboards.
2 more whiteboards, 79?
Yeah, put them down here.
Huh?
Put them on top.
Whiteboards?
Yeah, them white ones.
We went ahead and just cut the old ductwork right out of our way because it was in the way, for crying out loud, big time. So we got rid of it. Just like this outside stuff, if it's in your way, get rid of it. You can make that. You probably buy it at a mobile home supply store. I'll go ahead and help Paul. Yeah, so we got rid of them. Pulled them right out of there, get them right out of the way. You can also probably buy these skirting at a mobile home supply store. I've never had to buy any. I could make my own, to be honest with you. That's probably what I would do. But let me go see if Paul needs a hand. Yes, sir. That is where we're at. This is where we're at so far, everybody. Hope you have enjoyed watching. Oh, that's solid. That's so solid. We'll have multiple videos, multiple angles, several different cameras so that you can see everything. We decided that this whole crap had to go. I don't like it at all. Don't like it at all. I don't want to try to repair it. I think that's just ridiculous. It's all nasty. So we're going to not try to repair them. We're going to replace.
Like this.
And this is actually underbelly. Now, some mobile homes aren't, most mobile homes aren't like this. This one happens to have the framing that is made for a type of board like this to be installed underneath. And it can be done, as you're seeing. We're easily doing it with ripping down 1x4s into 2x2s and using some 12-inch pieces, joining everything together. I mean, that is tight right there. Yeah. Solid, tight. I mean, unless something gets under there and digs up through it, then nothing's going to get through it. And nothing's going to fall through it either. So that's pretty freaking amazing. I'm digging it. But this being if it was my place, and we're taking out that crap too. If this is my place, I want to do this. I want to do this. I don't want somebody coming in here and just taking some 1x4s and trying to stick all that crap back up there and cover it over with something else. It's just garbage. They're going to this thing is a completely remodel. Of course, there's nothing under the door. They literally had no plywood under the door, and what was under the door was rotten. Once we got this floor out and started looking, we're like, oh, no wonder they didn't go up under the door. It's just rotten plywood left up under there. And they screwed that daggum deck to the band of the mobile home, pulling it out. I mean, it's pulled out 1/4, 3/8 of an inch off of the 2x4 floor joist.
Pulling it out and down.
Yeah, out and down. That deck has to go. That's a big problem right now. It's number one, whatever you do, don't ever put your deck within a couple inches of your door. You want to have at least 7 inches down so that the water is bouncing off of there and not bouncing straight into their doorway. At least has 7 inches to bounce up to, and you're going to get a whole lot less water intrusion onto your door. This one here, they redid it, their floors, and then they left that crap all in there. So the only way I can put this door or do this door properly, Paul, we can take it out. It doesn't have to be raised up necessarily. We can do the blocking underneath. You know what I'm saying? We can just do the blocking underneath this thing, right on top of these, or flush with the top of these. Take the door out just to clean up all the stuff they left under it. That could be set right down, because that's going to be solid at that point. We might even make a tray for the door.
Yeah, ain't gonna make screws in it.
No, there's not many screws. So, I mean, I can see in my future, because of the way they did that door, nothing was done properly. You're supposed to run your plywood up underneath the door. They definitely didn't do that. This is what we did over here, everybody. Like I said, you're going to see other videos repeating this process. Some of it, none not quite so detailed. I got that camera running just kind of constantly while we're working. Might be doing some fast forwarding with that. I don't know. I've had my GoPro doing a little bit of videos. We got my iPhone doing a little bit of videos. I just want you to be able to see from the beginning to the end of this video, even though you might have to go through a few videos to see the whole process step for step for step, because they'll be skipping and then some returning back. But this is us. We love doing this. Obviously, we take pride in our work, try to do it right, making sure everything is blocked in like it should be. So the rotten wood is gotten rid of like it should be. They're coming in, like I said, doing a total remodel on this place. Look at that insulation. It's disgusting. I don't even know what's on it. It's like oil. I don't know. I don't even know. Been wet so many times, I guess. It's disgusting. So they're going to want to rip all the paneling out. But first thing they need is to get the floors done, make sure the walls are secure, so we can put a new roof on this thing, and then get a roof on it. Then they can come inside, not worry about it leaking anymore. That'll be done and over with. We're going to put an overhang on it with a rubber roof. Check out my rubber roof videos. Check out my travel videos too. I got some awesome travel videos. And I have another channel, Scrapping with Grandpa. He's got incognito over there with him too, so check him out. We like doing a little bit of scrap metal recycling. We run into it all the time.